Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. What we're going to demonstrate with the Indian clubs today is the movement we call the mixer. We call it a mixer because we're mixing it up in the sense that one arm is going to be doing a cross and the other arm is going to be doing a salute. Now, here's what I want you to be aware of. There are a number of moves that look similar to this that are not quite the same. I see a lot of people doing this movement, and instead of doing what we're doing, where there's this pause and there's a very distinct rhythm, they're doing it like this. It's not that that's not a good move, it's just not the move that we're doing. So notice the timing, so that when this arm comes up, boom, then there's this pause and then it comes down. So that you've got distinction in your arm positioning. Watch for it. Then we're going to reverse. Last one. So, Indian clubs, don't leave home without them.